How to get Zillow promo codes for property alerts and notifications. First of all, let's navigate and open the app that you use for searching. Once the app is open, use the search bar to find the Zillow promo codes. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides the best discount deal and tap on the URL to open the website. Once the website is open, find the best deal or offer from the following list and then tap on the copy code button to copy the promo code. A new pop-up will appear on the screen with the promo code, so tap on the copy button to copy it to your clipboard and then go to the Zillow official website to redeem the code. Actually, you don't need a promo code for property alerts and notification. You just need to allow notification alert setting on your phone and you will get the latest notifications according to your preference. But you can use a copied code for a property discount while you are checking out. And that's it. This is how you can get Zillow promo code for property alerts and notifications. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.